Today we head to Delft from Amsterdam. Just right here at the Visselgraat stop, going to South train station. It's about 38 minutes. So from Visselgraat to South, it's a 6-minute metro train ride. And then we'll transfer and take the NS train. You can get a day pass for the GVB for the metro for €9 for a full day pass, or $3.50 for 1 hour. Made it to Delft, 44-minute train ride. Delft, and to my left is the Stadhuis, City Hall, and then in front, right there, is the New Kirk, which houses the tomb of William of Orange. Inside the New Kirk of Delft, we bought a ticket. Typically it's a combo ticket with the new church and the old church to access. You cannot access the crypts. You can see the mausoleum, but several members of the royal family, including the iconic William of Orange, is buried here. This here in front of us is Wilhelmina's stained glass window. This is the tomb of Hugo the Great, which is the only tomb inside the church that does not belong to a member of the Kingdom of Orange. This is the mausoleum of Prince William of Orange. He ruled during 1533 to live to 1584. Here there's a cool display of time that wraps around the mausoleum and showcases all of the other royal family members' tombs. I was saying the crypts are inaccessible to the public, but you can see the tombs from the top, but underneath here is where the crypts would be. And then there's a map that you can see the layout of the crypts. Overall, very cool going into the new church. Might be my favorite church in the Netherlands right now, so far at least. Built in the 1500s. Believe it or not, the legend of Dutch master Johannes Vermeer was baptized here. And as you've seen, the royal family is buried here, and they've held numerous ceremonies at the church. Into the alley where Johannes Vermeer's home once stood, right through here. And then next to us is the old church and the new church. Behind me is the Vermeer Center of Delft, where you can learn all about Johannes Vermeer and his influence on the city of Delft. It's located on Bolderstraat, which is a very charming canal side street that features plenty of shops and boutiques, and it's just right next to the new church and the main square. Now this is the old church. Just a couple blocks. This was built in the 1200s. Clock face. This is 1605 on this side, and then on the back side it says 1960. And right across the way is the Museum Prinsenhof Delft. And another thing that's kind of cool is they have these here, which you can spend. This one I'm kind of struggling with, but kind of fun. And then you can learn. This area of town is the Old Delft. Believe it or not, with the old church, of course. But along the canal, several charming bridges. Beautiful fall day it turned out to be. Started sunny, then was rainy, and then sunny again. So enjoying the fall colors here. Alright, made it back to the Delft train station. Spent 4 hours here. We weren't able to see the Royal Delft factory. We saw plenty of other things. Definitely will come back. It's a great city and town. It was only 26 euros just to take the train from Amsterdam with the return trip.